If you looked at this sensor for the first time, you'd probably say the sensor works. I said the exact same thing. Then I asked one question. What stops this machine from detecting the same box again? By the end of the last milestone, the machine could finally tell the difference between something that's true and something that just happened. That solved one problem, but it quietly exposed another. Imagine the conveyor suddenly stopped. The box is still sitting on sensor A. Should the machine keep saying, or should it remember? That was the question. The sensor wasn't broken. It was doing exactly what a real sensor should do. As long as the box blocks it, the sensor should stay on. The problem was the machine. Every frame it asked, the right answer never changed. But the machine had no way to remember that it had already reacted. That made me realize something. Detection wasn't enough. The machine needed memory. Now the machine behaves differently. Not because the sensor changed, but because the machine remembers already what it did. This tiny idea shows up everywhere. Counting products, controlling cylinders, logging events, and even sending messages across a network. Industrial machines don't just react. They remember that they've already reacted. This wasn't about adding another feature. It was about teaching the machine something humans do naturally. Remember, once a machine can remember, its behavior stops being a collection of reactions. It starts becoming a system. The machine can move. It understands its own world. It notices events, and now it remembers them. But there is still something missing. How does a machine decide what it should do next based on what it remembers?